All right, so let's give it up to Judy. Start everybody, give it up to Judy. All right. So thank you, Judy, for sending in your Igbo name of the day request. So Judy wanted me to tell everybody and explain and translate what the name Chinonye means. All right, so you guys ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Chinonye. So Chi in this context means God. And no. No means to like stay. So when you say nonye, it means like, it's like a little bit more of a deeper meaning. It means like to stay with me or to be with me. You know what I mean? It doesn't just mean to physically be there. It means to basically to support someone. It's like for your presence to be there to comfort, you know? Like not just like sitting next to someone. Like someone can say in Igbo to you, noreba, which means like stay here, you know, like sit here, you know what I'm saying? Be in this area. But inonye means something a little bit more. It's like for someone's presence to be felt and for them to actually kind of do something as they're just staying there with you. You get what I'm saying? So we put those two together. Chinonye, it means basically God was there for me. God stayed with me. He consoled me.